This is an exeloos at Hoppers Crossing. It used to be a regular set of toilets by the train station. The dryer works. No. It's not an automatic dispenser either. Most exeloos are. But wait till you see. I'll put some paper in just to show. How useless the toilet is. Standard wall flush button. Watch how crappy this is. Didn't even take it down. Try again. This is hardly any toilet paper. 2 goes. 3. That's terrible. It's not like your automated. Check one of the disability ones. It's got baby change. Oh, they both do. Four goes just to clear the paper out of the toilet. Seriously. Yeah, this one's the same. So yeah, there's 4 of these, they're all like it. So yeah. Bad move, Wyndham Council.